In this video, you will learn more about the various roles you can assign users within your SigParser account and the associated permissions for each role. To view and configure roles and permissions within your SigParser account, go to Settings, go to Users, then select Roles. When you first create a SigParser account, there will be existing roles with configured permissions to help you get started. These roles cover the most common user instances. You can edit the permissions of these predefined roles to best suit your needs. You can also create new roles and establish permissions for those newly created roles based on your needs. Role permissions can be adjusted at any time. To view the associated permissions with each role, simply click on that role. The mailbox admin role has the highest level of account permissions. It is recommended that some permissions, such as the secure permission shown here, are enabled only for mailbox admin roles or app admin roles. It is also recommended that some general permissions are only enabled for mailbox admin roles or app admin roles. For example, the ability to view contacts that have been labeled as private should only be a permission granted to mailbox admins or app admins. These permissions are intended for high-level users who need to manage the SigParser account and are permitted to have access to sensitive information. While the mailbox admin role has the highest level of account permissions, a standard user role will have a much more restricted set of permissions. It is not recommended to enable any of the secure permissions or some general permissions for a standard user role. For example, managing user roles or managing coworkers is a type of functionality that should be reserved for mailbox admin roles or app admin roles. These roles and permissions are highly customizable based on the needs of your organization. Simply enable or disable a permission within a role and click Save. Customizing roles and permissions will allow you to get the most out of the SigParser application.